I got a new lip secret, and that is Nimya Spill the Juice lip gloss. So first we're going to start with the 24/7 365 lip balm. What is on the back is apply directly to lips as needed. Use along or apply before you go in with a lip color to prime, because not to prime is a crime, and that's correct. I have it on my lips right now. It really shines great. The smell is very light. It is cotton candy. And it doesn't bother me that it is perfumed. There is a scent. It is nice. It isn't overwhelming. This is the tube, how it looks like, how it squeezes out a little bit. You can, I hopefully see it. So it is a very liquidy balm. We can use it on the lips. We can use it to make this part a little bit glossier. So that is what I'm going to do now, because I already got it on my lip. So just dab, 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 dab. Oh, do you see what that does? That is very nice. So not too much, and spread it around on your fingers. Oh, that's beautiful. I really like it. So this is something I'm going to use every day to see what it does for my lips. On this moment they look great, so I don't have anything to complain about, but they can't be hydrated enough. So let's get them out of their packaging. I'm going in with the Pinky Promise. It is a very light nude color. So apply it to the middle part of your lip and divide that to the edges. And now I am trying it on its own. So no lipstick underneath it. I just want to see what it does without lipstick. So this lip gloss really gives you that nude vibe. It really almost looks like my own lip color. This is something I like very much about this lip gloss. And there is one more thing I really like, and that is the non-stickiness. You see, no threading. Okay, maybe a little bit, but it's not that visible as the other lip glosses I tried over time. And I really like this, because when I'm speaking you won't see the threading between my lips, and that is something I really dislike about lip glosses, and this one passes that test. So that's great. Thank you, Nikki, for that. For the second Spill the Juice lip gloss we have what? Yes, that one. It is a pinky, light pink with a shimmer in it. This is pretty on its own, but I can see why this one is a favorite to put on another color lipstick. But the real shimmer of it is coming out really good and pretty. I really like this one. So no dislikes just for now. Okay, I can stare at this the whole day, at this lip, just because it's pretty, it's shining, it is there, it isn't sticky, it isn't threading. This is so pretty. I think I have my new to-go lipstick for every day. Lip gloss. Same as this one, but you can't blame me, I just like nudes. This is how it looks on top of another lipstick, and I am really obsessed because this lipstick is elevating to a whole other level. I am loving this. This is something I wear every day. Would wear every day. So yeah, so pretty. For the third Spill the Juice lip gloss, we've got the Don't Tell Anyone. Shh. So this is a very light. Oh god, This is gorgeous. The pigmentation is insane. Okay, on top of another lipstick, this would be very, very good. But on its own on my lip, I'm not feeling it. The other one is more downtoned than this one. This one is more in your face with the shimmer in it. It is beautiful, but it's not for me. It's more like a spacey vibe. So let me put it on with another lipstick. Okay, now it's beautiful. This is really gorgeous. If it is putting on top another lipstick color, it is doing its job very well, because now I've got that Hollywood vibe on my lips without the threading, and it's not that sticky as a normal lip gloss. The first three aren't, so I am very happy with this. Don't Tell Anyone is beautiful on its own, but it elevates the lip color of lipstick underneath more, and this is how I like it the most. Spill the Juice number 4 is the You Didn't Hear This From Me. So don't tell her you hear this from me, but this is a very nice brownish lip gloss. It's a little bit hazelnutty. It is really nice. The pigment in this one is stunning. It is almost like a lip stain, but that depends on how much you put on. This is a beautiful color. This is more like an autumn color for me, where I would wear it with a brown eye look and go out and slay the day, because this is really pretty. I really like this. So I really like this hazelnutty undertone. It is really pretty. So I can't wait for the autumn to use this one. And for the last but not least, Spill the Juice lip gloss, we've got Are You Sitting Down? So are you sitting down? It is a bronze golden shimmer. It's somewhere in between. So on its own, it is very pretty. If you would do a bold look on your eye with coppery bronze toned eyes, and you don't want that much drama on your lip, just place this one. The glitters aren't detectable. It is very nice, very soft on my lips, so I really like it. But I really want to show how it looks with something underneath it. So let's do that. So as you know, I never do this. A lip liner, lip gloss, things like that, because I think it's all too much with this. This is insane. I never have it like this. So it is only the liner. I just blend it out a little bit to the inside. And then I put that Are You Sitting Down? And this is very appropriate. Are you sitting down? Because I'm almost falling off my chair. Because this is insane. This is very, very gorgeous. This is so nice. Okay, I don't think it is that great with my eye look, because there are two things yelling at the same time. My lip and my eyes. But okay, don't look at the eyes. Just look at that lip. It is so gorgeous. So I got a new lip secret, and that is Nimya Spill the Juice lip gloss. As you know, I don't like lip glosses particularly because they are sticky, they are very messy on my lips, they thread when I talk, so I don't like all that. But these lip glosses don't have that. So I am very excited about these lip glosses and will wear them a lot more from now. So this lip balm is really great. It smells good. It is very, yeah, soft in scent. It is like cotton candy. These 5 as well smell like cotton candy. It isn't that annoying. It is just right. I just like the formulas of them. I like the formula of this one. This one I'm going to use every day and before bedtime, because that is the best time to put on some lip balm. This was the first impression about the Spill the Juice lip gloss by Nimya and the 24/7 365 lip balm, which I really love. So yeah, I hope you liked this review, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!